In fourth grade, there are many terms related to computation. As you continue to learn about place value for larger numbers, fractions, division, and patterns, these vocabulary words appear often. Difference. The result of a subtraction problem. Estimate. To make an educated guess about something or a value that is close without actually counting or calculating the exact answer. Round. An estimation strategy using close numbers that are easier to use. For example, if we round 58 to the nearest tens, we get 60. When we look at the numbers between 50 and 60, 58 is closer to 60. Rounding helps us estimate or work with easier numbers. Sum. The result of an addition problem. Additive pattern. A pattern that comes from adding the same value over and over. Take the number pattern 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2 is added each time to get the new number. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8, and so on. Composite. A type of number that has more than two factors. For example, 10 is composite because it has factors of 1, 2, 5, and 10. Factor. A whole number that divides into another number without a leftover amount. A factor of 12 is 3 because 3 times 4 is 12. Input. The number we start with or the numbers we put in to get a result. Multiple. A value that results from multiplying a number by another number. The first 6 multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. Numerical pattern. A type of pattern using numbers such as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Output. The number we get after putting in the input number into a pattern rule or the number that comes out. Pattern. A predictable set of numbers, shapes, or objects that follow a rule. Pattern rule. The rule used to find the next number, shape, or object in a pattern. For example, add 2 each time. Prime. A type of number that only has 2 factors, 1 and itself. 5 is an example of a prime number because its factors are 1 and 5. Shape pattern. A type of pattern using shapes, such as term. A single item in a pattern. In the pattern 3, 6, 9, 12, the numbers 3, 6, 9, and 12 are terms. Dividend. In a division problem, this is the number being divided up or shared fairly. Divisor. In a division problem, this is the number of groups the dividend is being divided across. Product. The result of a multiplication problem. The product of 2 and 3 is 6. Remainder. The leftover amount when dividing one number by another number. This happens when we divide by a number that is not a factor. For example, 7 divided by 2 is 3, with a remainder of 1. Quotient. The result of a division problem.